everyone, and welcome back to another Diecast Car World video. And you already know we have another unboxing, and it is a beautiful car in here.
Always be by my side till the day I die.
That's right, everyone. We have another Lamborghini today in 1/18 scale by Maisto. I just realized I'm showing you the opposite way, but it's a special edition. I don't think they make them anymore, but it's a beautiful blue shade Centenario. Not just any Lamborghini, it's the exclusive Lamborghini Centenario, finished in this gorgeous blue with black wheels. I wouldn't have gotten this model if it was any other color, because they sell it in some green color and some orange color, but honestly those colors look a little bit wacky on this car compared to this pearl blue. And with sunlight on this paint, it will actually sparkle a little bit as well. It has some pearl effect to it. And I believe this model was made quite a while ago, maybe 2017, 2018. But you can still find them on eBay for around $35 to $45. And it is officially out of this box. And would you look at this beauty right here? This paint, man. Right now, in real life, it looks a bit darker. I don't know if it captures on camera, but it's a very aquatic, very oceany color. I don't know if this color, exact color, is on the actual Lamborghinis, but we have a matte black top. And overall, first impressions with the matte black matching wheels, I think it looks amazing. Does it have carbon finish? No, it doesn't seem like it has carbon finish down here, mostly gloss black. Let's get this thing out of this tray. And the car is out, and look at this beauty, everybody. Just look how beautiful this design flowed from the beginning to the end. All the lines, you know, the classic Lamborghini, the edges, and the front end is absolutely stunning as well. I think it's one of the best looking modern Lamborghinis. And of course, this was also a special edition, like I mentioned before, so there's not too many of these on the road, and they're going up in value every single day. Now, something I do want to see is, so everything opens up here, so even the engine bay opens up. And some of these Maisto and Birago models, okay, this is very nice. They also have the carbon fiber, as you guys can see right here, textured carbon, and they also have textured carbon everywhere else, where it's supposed to be, on the rear and in the front as well, which is very nice. And it's got clear taillights, which is kind of interesting, but I think it looks pretty cool. So it's got carbon right here, carbon right there as well on the struts. Does the wing go up is my question. I don't want to break it again, or not again, but like, okay, it looks like it does open, because I see it move a little bit. But these wings, man, they're always so flimsy for myself, so I hope they increase the quality on this. But it seems like it went up a little bit, so let's see how it operates. Okay, it moves back a little bit. Maybe that's as far as it goes. I can feel it move up a little bit. And boom, look at that, the wing's up. So yeah, this is really cool. Some of these Maisto models will have a functioning slash moving wing. And look at the exhaust right here. That actually looks really good. But there it is with the wing up and the doors up as well. See how these go up. Yeah, this is definitely, okay, there we go. Non-traditional, these are like the Aventador doors where they just go up a little bit out wide and then go up like that. And let's see the interior. Okay, it's got the right buttons. It's got the Lamborghini on the dash. But again, plastic seats by Maisto. A bit of a zonk with just a black interior, which is a little bit lame. I Wish they had a colored interior. But, I mean, it looks clean. It looks great from out here. And this piece would also open. There we go. Oh, little flip-a-doo. And, yep, just plastic inside, nothing too crazy. Little storage space. And the doors are pretty robust. Yeah, very nice. So it has that clip to it, and overall the quality is good for the price. I would say it's not excellent, but it's very good. So I wonder what this gap. I think that's part of the design right there. The Lamborghini Centenario, and you can see the bottom is covered in plastic, but it's carbon texturized by Maisto. And let's take a look closer at the exhaust right there, metal. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, overall solid model. I would say it's a 9 out of 10 for the price. You get plenty of detail, although you lack a few things, like I said. But even this pinstripe is very cool. Centenario logo right there as well. So yeah, a solid overall model. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more diecast content. Let me know if you want a review of this car or other cars. Comment down below if you want to see more diecast cars, if you want to see more real cars. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is going to be going in the collection. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.